Okay, saya start. Hi guys, so as we know that we learn mathematics since at school until now here at college, but do you guys know that mathematics can also be applied in our daily life? Today, we are going to discuss about our topic, which is integration and the use of it in daily life. Does anyone have any idea about what does integration means?
Yes, I know. The integration denotes the summation of discrete data. The integral is calculated to find the function which will describe the area, displacement, volume that occur due to the collection of small data which cannot be measured singularly. The concept of integration has developed to solve the following type of problem, which are to find the problem function when its derivatives are given, and to find the area bounded by the graph of the function under certain constraints.
Wow, thank you, Alif, for sharing about the definition of integration with us. Actually, if you guys want to know, we also apply integration in our daily life. The use of integration can be seen in various types of field, and one of the field is in physics. In physics, it is used to calculate the center of gravity, the mass of one-dimensional object from its radial density function, and the movement and momentum of satellite. It is also used to calculate the velocity and trajectory of an object, predict the position of planet, and understand electromagnetism. So does anyone have anything to add?
Yes, Aina. I would like to add some other application of integration in our daily life. An architect engineer uses integration in determining the amount of necessary materials to construct curve-shaped constructions, such as a dome over a sports arena, and also to measure the weight of that structure. In electrical engineering, integration is also used to determine the exact length of power cable needed to connect two substations which are miles away from each other. In the field of graphical representation, where three-dimensional models are demonstrated. Shahal, can you tell us what are the applications or how does integration help you to solve problem in real life?
The graphic engineer uses integration to determine the difference and change of three-dimensional models and how it will change when exposed to multiple conditions. This helped him to create a very realistic environment in 3D movies or video games. In games like the Need for Speed or GTA, all the statistics that the player sees during the race on the screen include the speed of the car and the distance between him and the contestants, and the time between his car and each car of the participants in the race in the second and tenth of the second. These calculations of differentiation and integration are done in the moment while enjoying the game. The principle applies to many games also. What do you think, Alif?
Yes, I think there's another application of integration in our daily life. Many drugs that circulate in the bloodstream can be described using an integration equation. That is, the rate which it travels from the intake site to the rest of the body may be proportional to the body heart rate. We could utilize integration to figure out how an integration equation like this passes through the body and solve it. But now, perhaps a distance as a function of time. Therefore, we could use integration to determine how much a certain drugs accumulate in specific section of the body, possibly in response to a circularity restriction. What you think, Aina?
I want to tell you guys that integration also plays an important role in Fourier transform. Integration in this Fourier transform is helping to transform the world. So the Fourier transform simply change function of time to a function of frequency. It is used extensively in finding solution to the heat flow equation. It is also used in analysis of electrical circuits and also processing different signals as a Fourier transform. What is more interesting, it is also used in all mobile phones when you are punching in the numbers, as the Fourier transform of these inputs are done for further processing. So basically, integration in Fourier transform is valuable in today's world. So Aisha, can you add some more information?
What a great explanation from Aina, and it is something new for me to gain new knowledge today. Let's see how integration plays a very important role in PID controller. So what does it mean by PID controller? PID controller is a control loop mechanism employing feedback. So this overall control function is where Kp, Ki and Kd are the coefficient of proportional, integral and derivative terms respectively. So this PID controller will continuously calculate an error value, and this integral unit measure the area between the error values, and it helps the system to tune into an error of the zero. This PID controller is extensively used in many fields, including car cruise control and also in the movement and positioning of robotic arm. Does anyone have anything to add on our discussion today? If there is none, then we can end our discussion now. Thank you for your contribution today.